Hi, this is Wade Whiteside with Whiteside Insurance, and this is a continuation of the conversation about the new coverages that Germania added in 2022 and also in 2023. Today we're talking about extended replacement costs. So what is that? Well, if your home has replacement cost on it and your policy renewed after January of 2022, most likely your home automatically renewed with the 25% amount for extended replacement cost. So what does that mean? Well, if you have a home, for example, valued at, we'll say $419,000, 25% of $419,000 is, let's see, $104,750. In fact, in the example I have in front of you, you can see when you have this coverage, you'll see the word extended replacement costs, and in this case, 25% was automatically added on renewal, and $419,000 is coverage A, and the amount of extended replacement costs that this client has is $104,750. So basically what this means is, in the event of a loss, if the house is destroyed and coverage A is exhausted, right, the customer most likely won't have enough to rebuild their house because costs keep going up. And at the time the policy was issued, Germania did their best to calculate replacement cost on your home, given everything that they had on file or they knew about your home. Now, if you didn't tell us changes you made, or maybe we didn't have the right information at the beginning of the policy, this information may not be right. But that's, again, why we want to make sure we have extended replacement cost added to your policy, because things change, costs keep going up. And so at the time of the loss, your home may be valued a lot more because costs keep going up. And when the policy renewed, the insurance company thought it was $419,000. This is a very valuable coverage, especially during times of loss, because, for example, when Katrina and Rita hit the Gulf Coast in Texas and Louisiana, there was a short-term spike in cost, and a lot of people may not have had enough coverage they might needed. So it's very important for you to understand that extended replacement cost is very helpful, and it's not a lot. It adds a few percentage points to your premium, and I would very much encourage you to have this coverage. If you don't want this coverage, feel free to contact us and we can remove it from your policy and we can take it off. So again, this has been Wade Whiteside with Whiteside Insurance, coming to you live from my studio right here at my house. Actually, you don't even know why I said that, but at the end of the day, I just want to make sure you have this good information about what coverages you have on your Germania policy. Thank you for your business. Have a great day.